Hello, welcome back, it's Louise. Today I'm going to show you the kit I'm working with this month for Wild Rose Bohemian and the Sovereign Design Team freebie for February as well that will tie in with the kit. So I cut this out from one of the painting papers. Probably use that on the cover. I won't go through all of these because there's loads, but I've got a mountain of papers and ephemera. Like you can see, some of them I've backed. I've got some washi tape here. Fingers to work. 3 pages, but you can I've just read at the bottom there that you can print them on tracing paper as well, which if I remember I'll do to see what that's like. I have backed some of my pages, well quite a lot of my pages actually, with a background from can't remember, Bohemian Dreams I think it's called. Yeah, so I have got some pages that don't have anything on them, but not a lot. So that's most of the kit. There's a lot of like painting pages that's like 12 by 12 style on your page, and I've got one full length. I've actually framed that and I've got it in my hanging up at the moment, so if I remember I'll take a picture of that and add it in. So that's the kit I'm going to be working with, and you have this month's freebie, and the code will be in the description down below, so don't forget it. And it's BEYOU, BEYOU, all capital letters. And this is what you're going to get. You can use this for all sorts of different things. These are nice, aren't these? I've got some smaller ones here. They're just a bit larger, these ones. Some out of the box ones, modern. Some more. Smaller ones, like the circles. And that's the last page. So that's all the freebies. And I don't know what I'm actually doing with the kit yet, but I was literally just going to start cutting out. Yeah, I was getting in the zone there. I'm literally just going to start cutting out, and I think I'll make the cover first, which is usually what I end up doing. So I know what size the papers are going to be, roughly. I'll grab in some other papers as well. I did do I've used up some old papers and just done some watercolours on the back. So anything that needs backing, any of the papers, I will just add these to it. Some of them are thicker, some are just normal copy paper. Just stuck in that. And tracing paper as well. Doing that on tracing paper is lovely. So I can carry on with doing some of that. What else am I thinking? The challenge for February in the Wild Rose Bohemian group is to make a folio, a stuffed folio with pockets and tags and whatever in it. There is a video that goes with it to show you how to make a folio, but I always end up going rogue. I don't go by other people's descriptions. And I started making it with some of these papers, and I literally just done I would call this a trifold, but it's a folio in any manner really. And I just took the rest of this brown paper bag, folded it in half to make that shape, and it already had you know, the fold over bit for the envelope at the top of the Amazon paper bags. So I folded it over and then cut it into shape, folded it, and then I've just covered all the bits separately, so I won't have any trouble with the folds. And I just put black tape both sides. And that's as far as I've got so far. So I'll put some pockets in it and decorations and that, and I'll be adding it in with the journal. Probably put a button or something on the front, fabric maybe, and a tie to wrap it around, keep it closed, because it tends to want to spring over because it's quite thick now. And I'm going to sew all the way around, so there's no chance of any of the papers coming loose. So that will be in with the journal. And for the journal cover, I'm just going to get a box and just repurpose, because we get lots of boxes that come in and they're quite thick, so, and all you have to do is take off the like one side of it really, and the top and bottom, and you've got your journal cover already. That's talking about boxes. I kind of move everything out the way here so you can see. For storage, I was fed up with boring plastic containers, and all I did was I took a box and took the top off it and made a curve in that one, but I just decorated it with my own mixed media papers. I didn't even do the bottom because nobody's going to see the bottom. All my stuff's rattling around. See, nobody sees the side either, but I could put tape in there. And that's the back. That's one of them. I've done about 3 of them just to have on my desk so I can grab when I need it. And it's free practically. I won't put that stuff back, it'll just make a noise. But yeah, so, and like these little things as well. I'm part of a membership group, like an artist membership, and she shows you how to make all these different little things, and it's just your own imagination. Oh, yeah, so just use your paint and crayons and all the different things that you've got, and just create. This kit has got a lot of bright colours in it, so you can use the colours that are in this kit. You've got yellow, green, like pinky, red, some blue. So you're talking all the base colours, all the primary colours. And then when you start mixing them, you'll get orange and like a purpley But yeah, just play, just see what happens. You just play, it's best to just play on like copy paper or watercolour paper, mixed media paper, any sketchbook paper, all sorts, book pages, anything you can find, envelopes, brown paper bags, it doesn't matter, anything. And just create some pages or some tags or anything you want. We could do some tags in the next video that we can decorate up and put them in the journal. Yeah, as I say, cover's going to be the next thing. I'll do the cover and then we can go into tags. I'll just cut this one out and I'll let you go. Right, so this kit is the Frida Kahlo kit. It might be called the bundle, but if you just put in Frida Kahlo, it'll come up on Etsy or Coffee, and I'll put the links down below where you can get the kit. And this freebie you can only get at Wild Rose Bohemian coffee shop, and the link for direct link will be in the description as well, and the code to get into the kit, this freebie kit, will be in the description. So you have to remember, once you've purchase it, but you just put 0 in the amount. If you've never used coffee before, and they say it's a freebie and it asks you how much you want to pay, you put 0 and you get it for free, unless you want to give the artists tip sort of thing. But yeah, it is totally free, and all the details will be down below, and we will get started on another colourful month. And I'm not saying that I'm not going to bring in any other papers, because sometimes I do, a lot of the time I do, but this kit is the base kit that I'm working with, and the freebies, so we'll see what we can do with these as well. So I'll let you go, and you can download your kit and we can get started working on it. So thanks for joining me, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.